Assalamu alaikum. Zamanum Shekiba Day. My name is Shekiba and I'm teaching Pashto, and you could find some more information about COVID in link below. Where do you work? Teacher wazifa way. Where do you go to school? Takuma maktabta zay. Where do you live? Teacher Zhouand way. Who do you live with? Chasara Zhouand way. Are you married? Sta wada shweda? How many children do you have? Sta sumra bachandi? Do you have any pets? Sta kuma aiwan de? What is your profession? Sta wazifa sade? Sta wazifa sade? I am a teacher. Zimalimyum. What are you studying? This is Dakaway. I'm studying medicine. The Tibabat is Dakawam. Kitchen, ashbazkhana, bedroom, dukhab, kota, bathroom, tashnab, or amam, house, core, apartment, backyard, awli, fence, diwar, garden, awli, street, salak. What is your favorite sport? Ustad khwakhi warzish side. I love soccer. The soccer khawam. What music do you love? Ustad khwakhi music sade. I love opera music. The mother khwakhi music opera de. Do you like reading? Ustad still khachada. Do you like reading? The star soul was still khachada. What is your favorite movie? Star kuma film khachada. I like movies about animals that I will not film khachawa. I like funny movies that they masqare filman khachawa. Do you like dancing? Istana sedil khachada. Do you like traveling? Tasafar kawal khachaway? Khachaway. Do you like?